Hello, this time we take a look at the array list in Java. I have drawn it out here as a row of cells, just like the array from a previous video. And as the name ArrayList suggests, this is a type in Java which exposes list behavior, but is based on an array. For this video, however, the implementation is a detail, it is behind the scenes. We will not look at how the ArrayList is implemented, but instead some basic usage of it. As with many things, we start with creation. We must, as always, declare a variable. We use the type ArrayList containing strings. My variable must have a name. I could call it myList here. Then the variable is instantiated to be a new ArrayList. But what's this? Here between the open-close chevrons, what is going on? Remember how when we create an array, we specify the type, for example int array. For the array list, we must also specify what type of objects or elements we can put into the array list. We declare the type of the contained elements with this so-called generic type parameter. So here I have a variable of type ArrayList and it can contain strings. Given that the array list is based on an array, we can portray it as a single row of cells. And similar to the array list also uses zero indexing, meaning the first element is at index 0. Let's just insert a string. We do it by defining the element here as a variable of type string. We can then call a method on myList to add the element into the list. I use the add method on the myList variable. The argument is s, which is my variable on the line above. This will add the element to the next available position in the array list, and given that it is initially empty, the element will go to index 0. Remember how the array is initialized with the default value of the type it contains. For integers that would be 0, for strings that would be null, booleans false, and so on. But for the array list, you should think of the cells as just empty, nothing there. If I add more elements, they will just fill up the list from left to right. And then how do I access something in the list? I use the get method, like this. It will give me the object at the specified index. Here I request index 0, so I get back the string object with the value 1. There are many methods on the array list to manipulate it and its content. We will cover these different methods through exercises.